Hello guys, so this will be the video tutorial of how to install Coreldraw. Okay, so here is the zip file that most of you guys have downloaded. So I'll open it. In that there is a single folder. Open it. So first things first, let's disable the activation.cmd and hit yes, and it will ask to press any key to continue. Okay, press enter. Okay, now the code has been disabled. Now you can go back to the Corel Graphics Suite installer. Okay, let it extract, and after extracting it will pop up a window. In this window you will see there is two setups, but you have to do only this one, the setup.exe, not the ARP one, only setup.exe. Hit click on it and it will begin to extract. After that it will ask for permission. Hit yes, and installing the setup. So this pop after this pop-up comes, you need to go back to this, minimize this, go back to this, uh, the folder in which we downloaded. So in here there is a text document in which there is a serial code on the number 1 point. So copy this, Control C, and paste it over here in the serial number, Control V, and hit next. It will ask for typical or custom installation. Go for typical. Now this process will take about 5 to 6 minutes depending upon your specifications. So now the install is complete and it will ask for signing, but we don't have to do anything over here. No need to fill this or turn on the internet. So just close this pop-up. It will ask for permission, hit yes. Then again go back to your downloaded folder. In here there is a crack folder. Open it. In crack there is a pass utility.dll. So this is a crack DLL. So we need to copy it, Control C, and then paste it into this PC. In this PC hit Windows, and in Windows there will be program files. In program files, you need to go to Corel. In Corel, there are three options. In the second option, pass me utility, open it, open v1 and paste it here. Control V. It will ask for the what you have to take the steps. Just replace the file in the destination, and you will need to give the permission. Hit continue. So now the patch has been applied. Then you need to register the entered keys. So open show EULA, register editor yes, adding are you sure to continue? Hit yes, and the keys will be added successfully. Okay, now close everything and open the Corel. So now here we have successfully installed the Corel, and it will not be updated or like it will not get connected if you turn on the Wi-Fi. So let's check it whether it's fine. So yeah, the Wi-Fi is connected and there is no issue with it. So just you can use you are free to use it anyhow now. Okay guys, thank you.